Hello Taurus, Virgo and Capricorn, welcome to my channel. And I was about to say welcome to your personal reading. Possible something very personal matter is happening in your life right now, which is connected again with your emotional matter or some work related stuff, okay? Because this is for all the matters like connections, twin flame, soulmates, okay? This is going to be right from 20th of December till 26th of December 2021 and sending you love all the way from India, Bharat. Follow on Instagram, SSHE, LLS, Shells Running. We're going to start with your reading now and we're going to pick up the overall heart energy and all that stuff. What I'm seeing here that there's going to be flip of the situation. Okay. So FLIP, flip of OF, THE, the situation, SITUATION, situation. Something gonna flip, which maybe you're going to see the other side, or maybe something that was not in your favor or something that was not working here will get to work here, okay? So let's see. For some cases, this may be with the Gemini here because of the lovers, okay? And I do feel that it's kind of like a flip. So someone is reading something on the other side. So maybe this is about documents, or this is something like, no, this ain't gonna work, this gonna work, okay? I'm also seeing kind of here two of hearts energy right from the playing deck, okay? I don't know whether it's there or not, but you have two of swords. So maybe flip of the situation is all about that you get to know the person on a whole new level, or someone get to know you, or this is about reunion because two of cups is a reunion. So what I saw was two of hearts. So there's going to be some basic clarity that is coming in the picture, and the flip of the situation will definitely let you know about the other side, what they feel, because I feel that someone who is portraying possible, they don't feel this way, they feel exactly. So with the lovers, there may be someone who is in the midst of choosing, or this is someone who's going to express on a very high vibe here. That's what I see. You also have three of cups. I feel like someone amongst your zone or your feelings towards someone is kind of like, I'm hearing the word misleading, because that's what the flip is and that's what the confusion is, and that is what the clarity is going to be. Some of you will get your kindred spirits in the way of like making decision possible at work or in relationship, and that's how you're going to figure out some way. That is flip of the situation. Now flip of the situation is also telling, I feel that with the four of swords energy, okay, please ignore the sounds, I'll be a little loud, there is something going. I do feel that within 4 days, possible that was the distraction for the reason, okay? So maybe you've been into certain kind of distraction here for a while. But with the four of swords energy, I think like you're getting prepared that something, some words or anything right now, it shouldn't hurt, okay? It shouldn't distract me. Look, you have number 4. 4 days for something connected. It's also something that is very close to you. Something very close to you, possible someone in specific. This is also possible there's age difference. Now this may be someone as in like a teenager or age group kind of, possible this is your child. If that's not the case, it's someone who you are concerned about. It is about money, investment, something connected with higher studies as well. There's also Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. There may be Piscean specifically who is in love with you for some cases. Okay, some of you might be feeling very compact. Very, very compact. Okay. Some of you might be feeling very compact in here, and there is some underlying, we can say underlying truths. So basically the other picture is lie. Okay, but there is something that someone is trying to cover up, or because you feel that it's not that important, but there's flip of situation coming. Someone gonna take stand for something here. Now again, four of pentacles is also about from all sides. It is some kind of work pressure or something like that. Maybe it is connected with organization where you work, possible something that you're trying to clear out. I'm also hearing clearing out, whatever that is. Look, you have four of pentacles and you are trying to organize here with this is definitely 8 of pentacles. You're trying to wind up something here, whatever that is. Let's see now overall energy here. And we are into recording and it's 0444. Again, this is about stability, but also coming out of certain kind of halt. Okay, let's see the flip. Okay, you have the flip. You are trying to wind up something here. Okay, you have Death card, so maybe this is a scorpionic vibe, but this is also the ending and the beginning. If I'm not wrong, we've been into like there's a full moon, okay, because I'm reading, so before or later kind of energy in the days, but the full moon, okay, important things. With the Death card, I feel the more appropriate thing is like you're going to have certain kind of ending here. You are going to wind up something is a better word for me. That's what I'm getting. And this is about I no longer will be with something or in something that I do not approve or I do not agree. Okay, so some of you might be dealing with the Gemini, some of you might be dealing with the Scorpio or Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, and Pisces in particular, and you also have the moon phase. Some people are at cross of decision making, okay, and it is also, I feel like you people are feeling more emotional these days, okay, because it is difficult to have certain kind of startup and it is difficult to end even something, okay. So let's see. So your overall energy is about the endings and the beginnings, and also leaving certain places. Now leaving certain places, possible work related. Someone is not happy, someone is feeling devastated somewhere. If it is about relationship, I feel like there's a lot of abuse and wounds. Wounds emotional and wounds may be the real. And that's why it is supposed to be ended. I see like this end is for good. Like when I was seeing certain video and there was a clipping and the girl says that, so you like me, but you don't love me. And he says that, yes, I like you very, very much. But to say that I love you, I need my time, my own pace. So she says like, you should go. And then he says that I should go for now or I should go for good. And she says for good. So this is some things happening for good. They may not seem though, but it is for good. And major endings, major changes, I also feel like it is about something connected with major shifts. Your flight, your travel, your major shift connected with something of like a town, you're shifting possible. I do feel that. Look, 4 of Wands, and I created that number 40444. And I've been seeing number 4 as well. And the reason is yesterday only I saw, which is amazing. So maybe this is about your stability. Number 4 is coming. That's what it's like the announcement of something, like when the flights take off or something. Look, you also have 2 of Cups again. It's about being with the one or meeting with the one, getting in contact with the one. If it is about love related or doing something that you really, really appreciate. I also see like you're going to do something really that you like or appreciate. Let's say for Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn energy. Flip of the situation is definitely very important in your life. Look, 8 of Swords, I apologize, maybe 8 of Swords is in mind, but 8 of Pentacles energy is calling for to believe, and number 8 started recording. This is also about your focus on something that I should wind up, and the wind up is going to happen. You are at cross of clarifications, and maybe it is connected again with something, documents or related with work. You're focusing on that, okay, in these dates you're going to do. Also, this is connected with, there's a vendor out and shouting. Like not shouting exactly, they're asking to buy something, of course, it's their work. But with 8 of Pentacles energy, it's something that you're very much focused on and specializing in that, okay? Some of you been focused on someone for too long and it feels though you need real skin, like new skin, okay? And I feel, yes, focused on someone too much, feeling kind of like either disappointed, and your focus is on some things that you are seeing for the last time possible in order to get hold of you. And that's what you are doing exactly. It's hard, like I said, so that it is for good. For many of you, this is for good, okay? So in your now, maybe you're feeling that how I'm going to wind up, how I'm going to end, how I'm going to leave, how am I supposed to make this journey? But with this, you're going to realize that there are still many things that you should appreciate what's gone. So you should see behind you, which is actually in front. You are seeing behind, okay? So you are definitely walking away from something or someone. If you're dealing with certain someone, they're too busy, but they are home for some cases. It's just about possible shifts and all that stuff. And maybe it has all related with you, just you. So don't worry. And even this came as a don't mind. So you have the sun energy with the Leo vibe, but with the sun, I see there's going to be positivity in your surroundings in the coming days, the ending and the beginning of like good morning. After the dark, you're going to see the sun, okay? And with the sun, you're going to possibly have Two of Cups with the person. You're going to see something that you love, the reflection, or just let's say mirror reflection. You are about to settle for good. Six of Cups energy, this is also about your partner may approach you, or your partner may join you somewhere, because you also have Four of Wands energy. I feel for many of you, this is new home or new desires coming true. Look, someone gonna catch up. This is again related with four. It has to do something. There's going to be some flip of the situation. Someone gonna realize someone's worth, or maybe whatever was ignored is going to be like having the flip of the situation. Okay, Two of Cups energy. Something reaches you. I think like for a lot of you, this is about too much focused on this, and you know, not to regret. This card is also do not regret later on something, because this card is about not content in the current zone for whatever reason, maybe from work or maybe from relationship. But I see in future you have the sun. You'll have new season, new growth, new things to see and to look forth. And you are also working on certain idea that is attached with you for a very long time, like a Six of Cups. It's not just love, it is also about your memory, your desires, your aim. Okay, so what you really want. So okay, fine. So you're about to travel even in the coming time. You are going to shift your perspective, your duality. You're coming out of some diplomatic situations, even or dual situations, dual thinking of people or your own. With the world, there may be a Scorpio, Taurus, Aquarius, or Leo, but this is also the world stretching of horizon, I see. And you have Page of Rods. There may be someone, a younger sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius in your life. You may be the one younger, but this is Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. So if it's not falling in your chart, there's also Gemini again, lovers. Some of you are in love. Some of you have tried with this person, okay? If that's not the case, it is about some relationship I see in the future, okay, with the one. Getting more involved, even physical. If it's yet not done, yes, there's attraction. There's also someone who lives far, and they are returning after the ending, major beginnings, okay? Something in here flipping, okay? And also I feel some of you are already married or in relationships. If you are, if this is about marriage, okay, this is something that you've been into this long time, okay, long-term relationship. That's what I see. It's also decision. It is also involvement. And the flip of the situation possible, someone gonna express, even if it's not Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. But with death, there is going to be flip. There's going to be some endings and beginnings. There's going to be closing the chapters happening here, to be honest. But someone is not happy. They love you. This may be Piscean or Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. They don't love you. They don't love you being away, or they don't love that you love someone else if they have that in mind, okay, or some idea. But I feel like they are seeing something. Again, it is connected with some full moon or sort of situation, okay? I hope this is going to help you. In these days, specifically, you are going to realize situations, and the flip of the situations will tell you who supports you. Because Sun, I feel, is the biggest support. Possible there's biggest support of your love that is currently in your life. And Page of Rods, it's like something that you may receive. It's just not about love, contact. It is something, your future endeavors, curiosity connected with that, your new approach, something that you're going to start from fresh, something that you're going to learn. And this is about shifts, leaving something and totally shifting to new place. I feel like that. Okay, take care guys. I love you. See you soon. Bye.